Morning guys, how are we? Day 14 of our AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today is looking at some assembly work. So obviously we've been building up over the last couple of days. We've been building some components we could then basically apply it to a assembly feature. So let's have a look at our challenge. So this is our challenge. This is a screw jack, kind of scissor jack component. That we found in sort of the automotive industry. Nice little CAD model that we can kind of test your skills on. This one features obviously 6 different components. I know we have obviously created I think a few more. We got the 2 screw connectors, so we've got about eight components. We only use 6 for this modelled view because actually the 2 of the components are hidden behind 2 of the channels, so there's pointless putting them in because you can't physically see it. However, when you do different views on your assembly, you'd have to add in those sort of components. So this is a walkthrough on how to do one view. It's the same process to do with the other views, so feel free to have a go if you so wish. So first thing you need to do is basically block out all your components. You can use the block command if you want to use it within AutoCAD, or the W block command if you want to save it to an external folder. Block all your components and assemble them together, or you could just try the fact of you can use copy and paste. Entirely up to you what method that you guys choose to use. For these components, you just take the 6 components which we've numbered down the side for you. So number 1, which is the base, which we did on day 8. Okay, number 2, which is the lower channel, which is this left hand one and this right hand one here. We did that on day 9. Okay, number 3, which is the upper channel, and number 6, which is the handle, we did on day 10. And then we looked at the top plate, which I think was day 12, and the screw, which is number 5, we did obviously yesterday, day 13. So day 10, which was the little connectors, we didn't actually use in this view, but you can still use them. It's still good practice to use those skills about stretching and shrinking from a copy. So have fun, let me know how you get on today. Probably the solution tonight, if you look at this and go, not really sure how to tackle this, will be really important. The aim is to get the assembly done, I think just over 15 minutes. It's still the same amount of time you're investing in on a daily basis. So have fun guys, and let me know if you've got any thoughts or problems.